Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I dropped the 1998 on the freight consist, and I added that tender as a piece of rolling stock. Now I've got an adapter on the 1998, as you see. Really simple adapter to convert it to Lionel. Take an old Lionel knuckle coupler, chop it off short, drill a hole through it, and if you just want to mount it temporarily, just put a paper joiner down through the slot in the tilt coupler, fold it over, you have an instant Lionel coupler. This one I have mounted with a tiny screw going down through the slot with a nut on the other side. So I run this as Lionel most of the time. Still has a standard tilt on the front. Anyway, I dropped that tender on here so you can see this thing running as a piece of rolling stock. Whoop, I am off the rail. All right. All right, let's try this again. As you see, good constant bright light. Of course, the heavier it consists, the brighter the light will be. Because you can crank this thing up, as you see. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this so you can see it running as rolling stock. That's the nice thing about building things. You know, it has dual purpose. You know, it's if you think about it, why don't Lionel cabooses have a coupler on both ends? Because they don't want you to be able to run it as rolling stock. If you want a caboose, great. If you want rolling stock, you have to buy it up in a different car. But you can snap a Lionel coupler across the axles of all Lionel couplers and add a coupler to the end of a caboose. I'd say probably more than half of mine have a coupler on both ends so you can run it as rolling stock. Anyway, point being, when you put something together, you get a lot more use out of it, I think. So in this case, you got a really decent, large Milwaukee Road tender, and you can run it as rolling stock or run it behind the locomotive. Either way, it's up and running, and it's lighted. So it gives you a great piece of rolling stock, a piece of lighted rolling stock, in fact. As you see, works great. So I just want to do a quick follow-up video. And that adapter for the 1998 coupler, as you see, it's really, really simple. Only takes a minute to make it. Instant installation if you use a paper joiner. It's just literally sitting on top of that tilt coupler. In this case, I've got a small screw and a nut run down through the slot. But you can use a paper joiner and just fold it over and it's on there until you take it off. Anyway, it's simple and it works and allows you to run most of the Marx locomotives with Lionel. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.